Attorney Virgil, just your reaction to the manifestation of the lead defense counsel about your post on social media, please.
Right, supposedly, no? What I posted was, it was a statement of what the law says, eh. That's what I posted. So kung whatever the action ng defense, sa kanila na yun. I just don't think na just because nagpa-participate tayo sa trial, walang prohibition kung ano man in stating without adding anything to what the law or the rules are saying. Ulitin ko po, no? Klaro po sa rules of court na yung misleading questions hindi po allowed. So kung makikita nyo sa four corners ng post ko, no? Wala dun eh. It doesn't add anything other than ano yung nakasulat sa rules of court.
Sir, but do you agree with the defense counsel's position na yung pagkakasabi ng it is allowed was not allegedly referring to
Okay.
the misleading statement?
That's the time that I will not comment to that. I think I am wise enough to know if ever I am about to cross the line. So, I will ulitin ko, no? Yung four corners ng post ko, it is a statement na alam ng lahat ng law student saka lahat ng abogado. Hindi po pwede yung misleading questions kahit saan, kahit kailan, pagbalik-balik na rin man yung isang hukuman. Hindi po pwede yung misleading questions. Now, kung yung depensa po magre-reklamo, with all the respect po, kung babasahin doon, I am asking you, did I mention a name? Did I mention what case? Zero. Nothing. Nada. So yung reaction, if they felt alluded to, sa kanila na po yun.
Sir, but you believe your comment was not done in bad taste?
Of course, Dwight, this is the question now. If you post something like due process is found in the Constitution, is there anything illegal to that? Just because nagpa-participate tayo sa trial, hindi po tayo pinagbabawalan to post ano yung sinasabi ng batas. So long as hindi po tayo nagdadagdag ng pangalan, ng value, or even interpretation. I could have understood the problem kung sinabi ko doon ano yung interpretasyon ko sa batas. I didn't interpret anything. Okay. Yun na yun. Yung time is, I could post that anytime. You know what I mean? I could post it anytime. Ulitin ko po. Klaro po sa rules of court. Isang bagay po. Yun po yung tinuturo ko sa aking mga estudyante. So parang sa akin, by just stating ano yung nasa rules of court, ulitin ko, without naming any person, without putting the context or hinting to that I'm alluding to anybody, with all respect po, this is free country. Hindi po bawal mag-post on one thing. Ano yung nakasulat sa batas, ano yung nakasulat sa rules of court.
Are you not pertaining talaga dun sa nangyayaring proceeding?
Okay, I will not answer that question.
Sir, but is the defense overreacting in your opinion?
I will not answer that question.
Sir, what do you make out of the presiding officer's warning?
So I lack your personnel, but my Facebook page is still very much it's on. That's my Facebook page. So ulitin ko po, no? That was just a posting of what the rules are saying. Nothing more, nothing less, walang interpretation. So kung may tinamaan man po, sorry.
Hindi niyo buburahin yung post.
Why would I? Buburahin ko ba? Hindi po allowed ang misleading question. Hindi ko yan buburahin kasi yun po yung nakasaad sa ating rules of court. Buti sana kung I name somebody. Buti sana if I said this is regarding this. Even that, no? Kung pwede pang i-argue na there's nothing wrong with that. Basahin nyo yung posts.
Hindi subjugate sa'yo.
For me, hindi. Kasi nga, ha? That's your problem. That's your problem. Like what I said, kung pwede ako mag-post anytime, 24-hour a day, I think that is part of my right as a human being to post something na sa tingin ko ano yung nasusulat sa rules of courts. Walang bad faith, walang malice. It's just like saying 1 + 1 = 2. At that particular time, inside an impeachment case, no misleading question is allowed, is as true as the sun rising from the east and setting at the west. 1 + 1 = 2. There's nothing illegal about it.
Pero attorney, how did you feel that you were not given a chance to explain your side during the court proceedings earlier?
I felt nothing. I don't feel any regrets. I'm not guilty of anything. Even without me explaining, my post will explain itself. Go to my Facebook page, Amando Virgil Dilibutan. Thank you so much.